Making French fries at home can be a greasy mess. And let's be honest, they're never as good as the ones you eat at a restaurant. Well, this method, I'm just gonna go out and say it, is as good as any you will find at any restaurant. And best of all, they start in room temperature oil, so no scary splattering messes are gonna be in your future. First, cut 2.5 pounds of unpeeled Yukon Gold potatoes into 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch sticks. Unfortunately, russet or sweet potatoes don't work with this method, so be sure to get the right potatoes. Combine the potatoes and 1.5 quarts of peanut or vegetable oil in a large Dutch oven. We're not going to be heating the oil ahead of time here. They're both going into the Dutch oven at the same time at room temperature. Now turn the heat to high and cook until the oil reaches a rolling boil. It should take about 5 minutes. Continue to cook without stirring until the potatoes start to turn golden and the exteriors are crisp, about 15 minutes. Now, this is going to feel wrong, but trust me. The potatoes may stick to the bottom now, so using some tongs, go ahead and stir the potatoes well and continue to stir them occasionally until they're golden and crisp. It should take another 5 to 10 minutes. So if you are worried about your food coming out greasier with this method, don't be. See, as the potatoes cook, they're going to lose surface moisture, which is replaced by oil. And because the cold start method cooks them more gently, less moisture is lost and less oil is absorbed during frying. Transfer the fries to a rim baking sheet lined with paper towels to drain. Season with some salt to taste and serve. If you want more quick tips or weeknight friendly recipes, check out my series, Today's Special, on America's Test Kitchen's YouTube channel.